Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to reset that maintenance light. I'm in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and in this vehicle I also have a Yaris, and in that vehicle you have to be in trip A to reset it. For some reason this one you have to be in the actual mileage, your odometer, and you can cycle through them by hitting this trip odometer switch. And once you get it into the odometer, you're going to flip your keys all the way back to where you can take them out, and then you're going to hold this reset button down while you're flipping back until you almost start it, but you stop at the one before you started. So I'm going to show you how I do this now, and you'll hear the clicks. So I'm going to hold down the reset button, and then I'm going to go 1, 2 clicks, and then you'll see it start to flash, and then it'll go away. And that maintenance light is just to tell you that your oil change is due, and each time you change your oil you're going to have to reset it. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it, and I'll see you in the next one.